So here is Simply Sing app, my singing app, much more than karaoke. It's an app which is going viral these days, and it's pretty cool idea here. So, you know, there are a bunch of those karaoke apps, but if you're a beginner singer, it's super hard for you to get started. With Simply Sing, no song is out of reach. Experience the joy of singing in a whole new way, friction-free. Let's our app adapt every song to your unique voice so you can sing comfortably no matter the artist and finally hit those high notes. So just songs adapted to your voice, create custom playlists, land every note with feedback. And yeah, so the idea is that this app adjusts to your voice, and then it adjusts all the songs to your vocal range, and then it's much easier to sing. So how does it do that? So basically, for example, here is my vocal range, which is bass. In this app, you can just start with onboarding, and you need to basically discover your vocal range. So you will see some text, and then you need to sing into the app, and then try to hit the high notes in some song. And then this app analyzes your voice, probably using AI. And then it's just like, then it's, trying to adjust songs for you. And then there are also some bunch of tutorials, and then you have some different songs. Here you have you have different types of songs here, and then made for bass. So it basically takes this song and then it just changes the tone, I don't know, the notes for it. And then if you want to get full access, you need to upgrade for $60. But well, I don't know. All right, so it's the recommended songs, but there, I think they all require subscription. So then probably we'll still need to get, so there is no any, so I guess you can try a free song here in the onboarding.
Congratulations! You've unlocked the Simply.
And then, yeah, so unfortunately you need to upgrade here. But basically that's the idea, that you do onboarding, and then instead of just using simple karaoke app, this app adjusts the karaoke tonality just for you, and then it's just much easier to sing.